welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, I'm gonna show you how I've installed Dashcam in my own first ever car here in Australia. And on top of that, I also got my P2 license, which means I can now drive by myself and I don't need to have supervisor beside me for me to be able to drive. So as much as how happy I am, I think James is the most happy person that I've got my license, because from now on he doesn't have to stay awake until 1:30 a.m. and wake up early just to pick me up and drop me off to work, which is very exciting for both of us. Because now I can be independent and I can go wherever I want, whenever I want to. So before we do the tour, just a quick overview of what the car that I bought. I bought a 2015 Toyota Yaris. It's a second hand. So we bought it in a private person, not in a dealer. So I bought the car second week of December, and then I got my license week ago. So basically I bought the car before I even got my license, which is a bit funny, but yeah. Anyway, my father-in-law came with us to have a look at the car, and also of course with James, because I know nothing about cars. So we had a look at the car around December 14, and then we pick it up on December 17. Even though I like the car already, we didn't pick it up straight away because we first need to get a car insurance before driving it off going to our place, because just in case the car will be crashed or something. Yeah, it's very important to have a car insurance before buying a car. It's very a must thing that you have. Also, since I was with my father-in-law and James, we check all the paperwork, making sure that the car is not stolen, the car is not written off, or it means that it's been in a crash before, it's been repaired. So, and then we check all of that and it came all good, it's all fine, the engine is fine, everything, it looks good as well. So we bought it straight away. We bought the Capture brand Dashcam during Boxing Day sale, so we got a pretty good deal out of it. These are the specs and the features included. My favorite feature is the park mode, since we only have one carport and it is used by James' car, and my car is parked in the street. The first thing we did is attach the suction cup into the windshield, and then we attach the wire behind the headliner using the magic key holder. After that, we hit it under the A-pillar corner, and then we tuck it in under the weather stripping or the trim. It's a bit of a work, but it's worth it. We actually saved almost $200 for not paying someone to install it for us. Yay! Next thing is, we hid it behind the glove box and tuck it right in there. James then set up the dashcam settings, which includes the time, date, and my plate number and everything. And so, off we go! This is now the final look. This is where all the wires go through, and you can't even see it. How amazing is that? Lastly, attach the cigarette lighter to its adapter. Wow! Now, let's go to the car tour. This is how the front seats looks like. We got here my phone holder for GPS thingy, and next to it is my sunglass. We got here the mirror controls for both sides, This is the dashboard screen, or whatever you call it. It shows the odometer, time, temperature, and the car mode. On the left side of the steering wheel is the volume control buttons for music or when you're in a hands-free call. On its right side is the hang up or answer the call buttons. This one is for the turning left and right signals and headlight settings. That's one of the aircon vent for the driver's side. On this side is the buttons for window settings. This is the cigarette lighter for the dashcam. And on this side is the AUX and USB port for phone charging. We got here the aircon and the Mr. buttons and whatever. That's the dashcam, of course. That's the rear view mirror that James used to use when he was teaching me how to drive. That's the front passenger side. This is the gift that James gave me when I got my driving license. Aww. We got here the glove box. It's a bit messy right now, but who cares? It's my car. We get another compartment here where you can take this lid, and that's the inside. We got here the entertainment screen, and my favorite part is the reverse camera. So when I'm reversing, I'm going to see if I'm about to hit the curb or something. This is the handbrake stick, another compartments for water bottle and whatever. So that's all for the front seat part. Now, let's go to the back seat. It's a 3-seater at the back. I have a travel pillow and of course, a box of tissue for emergency purposes. Now, let's have a look at the boot. My car is a hatchback, that's why it looks like this. I got here a car cleaning things that the seller gave to me. I also have a car shade, especially for summertime. We get another layer of space. And at the bottom is a spare tire and other car tools. So that's it for the boot section. So that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in my next vlog. Bye!